see you later today. We're gonna go up in the mountain. We're gonna build some fruit farms now. I'm gonna check with the farmers, your new neighbors. All right, see you later, Jake. Wow. How old is this one here?
It's 3 or 4 weeks.
So what happens is it makes a flower first, and then it turns into a dragon fruit. All right, I made it back home, and that was super awesome. I didn't film much at this dragon fruit farm because I was just getting so much information. It's a new person that I never met before, so I didn't want to have the camera filming the whole conversation, but I learned so much. There's no point really planting seeds right now because it's gonna take like 2-3 years to grow. The best and the fastest option for me right now is actually to wait a couple of weeks and months until those dragon fruits stop harvesting. They stop producing fruits, and at that point he actually cuts a lot of the branches off, and those big branches you can use them to stick into the ground and grow a new one, which will take about a year. Look at that, guys. We got sweet bell pepper growing now. These plants behind are the same ones, but these grew up really fast. And here's the first big one. This one is also spawning a pepper over here. But I was just reading on YouTube and try to learn a bit about pruning or trimming them. So maybe if you guys have any knowledge, you can comment below and we read that and get some advice from you guys if we're supposed to cut it. Are we supposed to keep the flowers? We also have some ants going around, the kind of brownish reddish, and I've heard that those ants actually help the plants. So let me know also which ants are good to be around the plants. So these are all of our new plants, and here I can see our talisite tree, but there's a bit of a rough time with the insects. But some leaves are coming out, but very slowly. However, this tree over here, the insects seem to love this one. But we gotta take this tree into the land very soon because it's already way too tall compared to the bag that it's in right now. This one already spawned some flowers, as well this one. Beautiful. We're in the Bastlight Coffee, our go-to coffee shop, so to speaking. And we're about 800 meters above sea level. Our land is about 350. So this is the double the height of our lot. So, but the view is pretty similar, except here in the background you're kind of blocked with the jungle. But we have almost a 360. We can see the mountain. But we're gonna have a little snack here. I think this is just a potato, native potato, right?
Sweet
And
potato.
then, some coconut meat. Definitely no sugar in that. Flavor, social, healthy, through the roof.
And
Hot choco.
we call it sikwati.
This one?
The choco.
Chocolate. So good.
Hi, Jake. Jake, smell it.
So in the future, Jake, this will be your new food. Potatoes, natural, no chemical, not processed.
Beef.
Just pure nature. Lots of protein in the potatoes here as well.
And
Some
also
beef.
the
Yeah. Yes. Loves it.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So starts falling, let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now always in your hands. When I was young, I thought control would lead me to an ending road, and heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me. And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang
Wakey, wakey. Wake up, guys. Well, Shirley's been taking a beautiful nap over here. I've been shooting with the big lens now, and I got some amazing photos of all the birds that are here. I think I captured about 3 or 4 species so far, and a pretty cool shots of the eagle. Wow, there are so many birds here. I love it. You have the breeze, and then the birds singing in the background. Recipe for a beautiful afternoon nap. Thank you guys for all the amazing comments so far, but one comment I screenshotted, it's from Bill Mandawe, and it's about the eagle that is flying around here. It's actually better known as a sea eagle, but it's a quite specific one called Brahmine kite. So I googled it, and by looking at the pictures now, this is a Brahmine kite, aka sea eagle. And if you guys know any of the other birds, please comment below. I would love to research them. How was your nap?
It's so good. You just woke up
You were
too.
sleeping as well.
Yeah, we're both sleeping. Right? Oh!
Also, a lot of comments about we need to keep Jake safe from the eagle. Yeah, I mean, he's actually quite big beagle, and for sure,
I think Ming Ming. I'm more.
yeah,
with
it's
Ming
more
Ming.
about the cat, for
Yeah.
sure. Because we, like in the last video, we actually, if you noticed in the video of the eagle, it was holding a chicken. Jake is way too big for the eagle to go after, plus there's so many other birds for the eagle to hunt. I don't think he'll be desperate.
Yeah.
However, I've seen back home like a proper full-size mega dinosaur eagle, and they've caught sheep as well. So of course they can, if they decide to go after him one day, the force can of course be deadly, so we'll keep an eye on him. Thank you guys for the concern.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Today is March 26, and the construction or development is that we have finished 15 posts. Jake, come here. 15 out of 24, and it's Sunday, so no one is here of course, but we just like to come over. There's a lot more wood attachment to the post, preparation work, and then next week they're gonna finish all the steel before we have like a small ceremony. Where are you going, Jake?
Yeah.
What is What are you doing?
Look at me.
Like to climb a mountain, huh? Come on, follow me. Here. Follow me. Where are you gonna go now? Now you're trapped, Jake. Where are you gonna go?
Hello,
Run away now. Okay, go down. Go down first. And follow. Follow here. You ready?
Yeah, good boy, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, good boy. Yeah, good boy, good boy, good boy.
Look at that. Daddy Den is the best.
Thank you guys for the lunch.
Very welcome. Welcome.
Pansit!
Yeah. Look at this.
Good for the eagles.
So mean.
We made it back home. Sun's already set. Beautiful day. And we're gonna end it off here. I know it's a short one. A lot of plantings ahead. A lot of thinking behind that. So we're going to Singapore. So we'll see you guys in a couple of days. Till the next time.
Peace out.